Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will make famous Bolognese sauce with spaghetti. I really love that dish. I've done this so many times, and I have to admit that every time I'm doing it, I try to make some small changes. I'm sure you're gonna love my version. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. We start with tomatoes. Look at that! Operation Bolognese, I start with making a tomato pulp. Extra virgin olive oil goes on the frying pan, which is quite hot now. Okay. I think very hot. Okay. Whoa! Rock and roll! Finely chopped celery goes on. Rosemary. 3 bay leaves. Some people are adding to Bolognese white wine, red wine, some even milk. I am adding magical ingredient, cream 18% fat. Rock and roll, baby! Salt. Freshly ground pepper. Some of you can ask, is it classic cuisine or is it fusion cuisine? I call it confusion cuisine. Amigos, extremely delicious spaghetti with Bolognese sauce just landed on the table.